We are extremely excited for you to join us as we honor this special journey and this new chapter for Mandara Spa.
Well, in Aruba, we've been 27 years. This is one of the first Mandara Spas. Mandara Spa is a Balinese-inspired brand. It goes back to Indonesia back in 1996. So about 30 years of operations, and this was, one of the first spas that we opened.
We are still striving to keep our guest services as best as we always have done, and we would like for people that come to the spa to feel pampered and relaxed.
So this renovation for us is like a game changer because we, for many years our team has been providing services at a 5-star level, but the facilities were not ideal for those services. So what we did is, with the major thing that we did, besides touch pretty much every area of the spa, is we reconfigured the wet areas, the locker rooms, in a way where you now go through the locker rooms and you go out to, so first inside the lockers we have steam and sauna, which before we only had a sauna. And then you could continue to enjoy the amenities outside. You have a cold plunge, a whirlpool, and an experience shower, plus seating area and lounging area. And you also have an indoor lounging area. So really the guests, from the moment they come in, they could experience the whole spa experience even before they have a treatment. So it really sets them up for an excellent treatment. And of course it could be used afterwards. And we also offer day passes, so folks could come in and just enjoy the facilities without even having a spa treatment. Of course, we always recommend that they have a spa treatment. We have a mixture of services from different parts of the world. Since our brand has grown from Bali and moved to Eastern European to the United States, the New World, we offer services from each part of the world. So we've captured the best services from each part of the world and infused them into our menu. And here in Aruba, we specifically, and actually in all of our spas, we bring locally inspired services. So here we have an aloe services, an after sun. It's great for after sun when the people are bathing, for relief of sunburn.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We would love to have the honor of serving the local community, but also the tourists that are coming into Aruba. We think this is an experience that, especially whether they've been here before or not, if they've been here, they have to come back and see how we've changed it. And if they've never been here, they're in for a treat, a great experience, and we would love to have them.